Namaskar. Welcome to Subconscious World,
where we explore the infinite potential of your subconscious mind. Today, let's talk about how you can heal relationships and bring harmony into your life by harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. So let's dive in. Relationships hold a significant place in our lives. However, misunderstandings, past hurts, and negative patterns can sometimes strain even the strongest bonds. But fear not, your subconscious mind holds the key to healing and transforming your relationships. Think of your subconscious mind as a vast reservoir that stores every emotion, belief, and memory. It holds on to every interaction, every word, and every feeling you've ever experienced. When relationships suffer, it's often because negative beliefs or unresolved emotions are rooted in the subconscious. But the good news is, you can change that. To begin with, start by identifying any limiting beliefs you may have about relationships. Maybe you hold on to thoughts like, I'm not worthy of love, or people always leave me. It's time to let go of these beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations. Repeat daily statements like, I am worthy of love and connection, or my relationships are filled with joy and trust. And these affirmations will rewire your subconscious and pave the way for positive outcomes. Next, let's tap into the power of visualization. Close your eyes and envision your relationship healed. Visualize yourself communicating openly, laughing together, and feeling a deep sense of peace. This act of visualization sends powerful signals to your subconscious mind, guiding your reality to align with this desired image. Now let's talk about forgiveness, the ultimate healer. If someone has hurt you, practice forgiveness, not for their sake, but for your own peace. Repeat in your mind, I forgive you, and release this pain. Similarly, forgive yourself for any past mistakes. Forgiveness clears emotional blockages and opens the door to love. Remember, relationships are like mirrors. They reflect your inner world. So, to transform your relationships, you must heal your subconscious mind. Start by fostering positive beliefs, harnessing the power of visualization, and embracing forgiveness. By doing so, you'll witness the magic unfold before your eyes. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Subconscious World. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which tip you'll start implementing today. Until next time, stay positive and trust the power within you. Donobad.